Welcome back to my channel. Today our topic is subtraction of two-digit numbers with regrouping. Let us suppose our first question is subtract 58 from 83. So to do this, we have to arrange the given numbers in columns. So arrange them in columns. 83, 58 minus 7. Now step 1 is subtract the ones first. Now we cannot subtract 8 from 3. So we regroup 83 as 83 becomes tens are 88 tens plus 3 ones. Now expand it 8 tens 7 tens plus 1 10. 8 10 can be written like this plus 3 ones. Now we know 1 10 is equal to 10 ones. So 7 tens plus in place of 1 10 write 10 ones is equal to 10 ones plus 3 ones. So 7 tens, add them 10 ones plus 3 ones becomes 13 ones. Now write 7 in the tens column and 13 in the ones column. So now subtract ones first. 13 ones minus 8 ones. So 13 ones minus 8 ones gives you 5 ones. Write 5 as the difference in the ones column. Now subtract the tens next. So 7 tens minus 5 tens is equal to 2 tens. So write 2 in the tens column. So 83 minus 58 is equal to 25. Now let us do the following question. Subtract the following numbers with regrouping. Here the numbers are arranged in columns. So we have to subtract them with regrouping. How? Subtract the ones first. Now we cannot subtract 7 from 1. So we regroup 71 as 71 is equal to 7 tens plus 1 1. You can write 7 tens as 6 tens plus 1 10 plus 1 1. Now you know 1 10, either you can write 1 10 or you can write 10 ones. Both have the same meaning. So in place of 1 10 write 10 ones. 6 tens plus 10 ones plus 1 1. 6 tens, this is 10 ones, this is 1 1, add them gives you 11 ones. Now write 6 in the tens column here and 11 in the ones column. And now do the subtraction from these numbers. So in this, now we subtract the ones first. That means 11 ones minus 7 ones gives you 4 ones. Write 4 as the difference in the ones column. Now subtract the tens next. After subtracting the ones, subtract the tens next. 6 tens minus 6 tens gives you 0 tens. So write 0 in the tens column. So the answer is 71 minus 67 is equal to 4. You can write, do not need to write 0 here, just write 4. Next question is 70 minus 39. They are arranged in columns. So start subtracting it. Subtract the ones first. Now we cannot subtract 9 from 0. So we regroup 70 as 7 tens plus 0 1. Or you can write 7 tens as 6 tens plus 1 10 plus 0 ones. Now again 1 10 can be written as 10 ones. So in place of this 1 10, write 10 ones. 6 tens plus 10 ones plus 0 ones. Give you, the answer is 6 tens. Add them, 10 plus 0 gives you 10, 10 ones. Now write this 6 in the tens column here and 10 in the ones column. And now subtract these numbers from these numbers. So now subtract the ones first. 10 ones minus 9 ones. 10 minus 9 gives you 1 1. Write 1 as the difference in the ones column. Now subtract the tens next. Number is 6. 6 tens minus 3 tens. 6 tens minus 3 tens gives you 3 tens. So write 3 in the tens column. So your answer will be 70 minus 39 is equal to 31. Next question is 82 minus 58. Again subtract the ones first. Again you cannot subtract 8 from 2. So we regroup 82 as 82 gives you 8 tens plus 2 ones. Again 8 tens will be written like this, 7 tens plus 1 10 plus 2 ones. Now 1 10 can be written as 10 ones. So in place of 1 10 write 10 ones. That means 7 tens plus 10 ones plus 2 ones. 7 tens. Add 10 ones plus 2 ones gives you 12. ones. Now write this 7 in the tens column and 12 in the ones column and subtract this 58 from these numbers. Now subtract the ones first. 12 ones minus 8 ones. 12 ones minus 8 ones gives you 4 ones. So write 4 as the difference in the ones column. Now subtract the tens. Next, 7 tens minus 5 tens gives you 2 tens. So write 2 in the tens column. So 82 minus 58 is equal to 24.